Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So in this video I will be sharing my review. So let's try this Elia's After Hours Clean Holiday Face Set. So let's get started. Okay, so I have this kit which is Elia's Holiday Kit, I think that is it called, which is including 3 items. You get It's a perfect gift set for this Christmas or birthday gift, or you want to gift it to your cousins or friends. This is such a pretty gift set. You get 3 items in this. One is you get the full size of mascara. This you get a lip and cheek tint. You can apply it in your cheeks and even apply on your lips. And this is an eyeshadow tint, as it is said. So it is mentioned as liquid powder chromatic eye tint, fullest volumizing mascara, and that is proper classic black, and multi-stick ladybird, which is a neutral rose. So we will be using this today. So I will be let's check out. This is the first time I'm using it, and it is mentioned on Sephora. I got it from Sephora, and this time when I shop from BIB sale. If you haven't watched my Sephora haul, click this link on the I button here. You will get the Sephora haul as well. So the total value of this kit is $75, but I got it for $48. I will be sharing all the links in my description box below. If in case you're interested to buy, you can check from my description. So let's check out, try this one by one. I have already done my eyebrows. I used this eyebrow. Today is arcs and halos. I have a full-fledged review on this. You can click on the I button. I have already reviewed how to use this. This is a drugstore product I got from Rite Aid, so this is easily available and very affordable. So I have used the eyebrows, and I moisturized my skin with the New Glow recipe. This is the plump hyaluronic acid. Very nice cream, perfect for winters. Love the texture, so it just moisturizes and hydrates my skin perfectly throughout the day. And the best part is this also comes in recycle pod. So if this is over, you can definitely use this again, and you can just get this new one and fix it back. Pretty, right? So I will share the link of this as well. This is available now on Sephora. So let's start with the kit. Okay, so the first thing what we'll be using is this liquid powder. If this comes out, okay, so this is what I received, is liquid powder, Ilia liquid powder chromatic eye tint fresco in the shade top brown, and this glides like a cream, dries like a powder, creaseless color that stays all day. So let's see how it works. So I hope you guys can see clearly, so I'm going to use it directly. Let's see how it looks. Shade looks very nice. This is a shade. It is just little like an highlighting shade it does have. So let's see how it looks. I'm going to blend it with my finger only, because this is a kit which we want to use it like every day kind of, or while traveling. So you can also use a brush. So you can see it's definitely shining. It's very nice for every day. Those days when you just want to use one color on your eyelid and you're sorted for the day. So this is the shade for that one color. Yeah, this is definitely it is like a powdery. It is not like, in the beginning when I applied it was like a liquid, but as soon as I blend it, it feels like powder. So the next one let's try is, I have here is the mascara. First we'll do the eye makeup completely. So I have no other makeup other than only Ilia right now, other than that tint from Tarte. So this is the packaging, it's quite huge. This is a full size and it's like an hourglass mascara. So let's try this. I like the one which is like, you know, this kind of hourglass. It gives perfect shape and it's very easy to apply actually. It definitely gives so much of volume. Can you see the difference? And look at this, nothing is in this eyes. Huge, right? Can you see the difference? I really like it. It's giving very nice volume to my eyelashes. So this is a mascara which is fullest volumizing mascara, full on volume with feather light feel, and this is ophthalmologist tested and safe for sensitive eyes. So that's how it looks. So the third one we'll be using is the cheek tint, and that is called as multi-stick ladybird neutral rose. I got in neutral rose. This is creamy wash of color for cheeks and lips, blendable, breathable and buildable. So that's how it looks. Wow, such a cute color. This definitely reminds me of Jouer Cosmetics. It's very nice, kind of, you know, perfect blush pink. So let's apply. I'm applying on the, you know, higher side of my cheeks. Very nice for everyday. Yes, it definitely blends very nicely and it's kind of creamy as well. So I like this kind of, you know, sticks which is like easy to, you know, travel friendly, and while traveling, when you're in cab, you can just use it whenever you want. I'll just apply my nose. I like applying blush little bit on my nose to give that proper blush, winter blush skin. And you can apply this even in your lips. Just kind of everyday look, very nice. Okay, so this is my look finally. I used these three products. Is the the mascara. I have used the eyeshadow which is kind of bronzy, you know, I look just one shade. I applied the mascara, I applied the blush and a lip tint the same shade. So it just gives that everyday kind of look. If you want to create quick, you know, within 5 minutes look, this is perfect kit. You get it just for $48. I'll share all the links in my description box below if in case you're interested. So this is Elia's after hours kit. You get 3 products in. I hope you like this review and this look which turned out in quickly. I think within 5 minutes you can create. I wouldn't be explaining it in detail. I would have created this look within 5 minutes. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like this video, and don't forget to hit like, and you can also follow me on Instagram. ID is just chill with Pam, where I create some different content there. And please do share my video and subscribe to my channel. It will definitely help me, my channel grow. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.